Start speaking now. Time is up.
Right now, three happy skiers are celebrating together on a beautiful mountain slope. In the next moment, I think they will lower their arms and poles and get ready to move again. The person on the right looks very enthusiastic, so they might suggest taking a group photo. After taking a picture, they are going to start skiing down the rest of the hill. I think the person in the middle will probably lead the way. If the slope ahead is not too difficult, they might even decide to race each other to the bottom. They all seem like good skiers, so they will likely have a lot of fun on the way down. Ultimately, I predict they will safely reach the bottom of the slope. Then they might go to a ski lodge for a hot drink to finish their exciting and colorful day on the mountain.